Thank you. Now, welcome back on Sunday Night Show. In case you just join us, today we'll take on our phone calls. Our phone numbers go down to TV now and make us begin the call us today for Chukumat for the thing we discuss. We discuss now, waiting go make woman lose interest quick for inside man. 3 things na in the ground. 3 things na if it be. Waiting go make woman lose interest quick for man. Tell us what you think. Our phone numbers on top of TV now make it begin the call us. Number 1 thing when he be say we get. Now, if the man lose work, now 3 things, you go choose one. Now, if the man losing work, when he be say don't they broke, or now when the touch lighting of website, mommy and daddy things not pure again, I been now when attention not there again. Those 3 things, which one you think say go make woman quick lose interest for where man did? Now, if the man don't dey broke, he don't lose his work, he don't come dey broke, abi now when the man, mommy and daddy things, no, just he don't come out. He never, just before you close eye, open eye. Where are you? Don't enter, don't come out. For where? That just quick, like some people where we know 1 point finger. Some people. Or Abina lack of attention. Now on top of Twitter, Joe Ben talks say number if not the man, if the man does if the man does respect the woman, cherish her, provide her immediate need, if he doesn't satisfy her well in bed, now waiting in few say go make the woman lose interest quick for where the man dey. And then last something. Kamara talk say, hey, easy and Nedu, how far now? Some women lose interest if she find out that the man is lying. Lanzo from Sierra Leone. Christy, good evening. How is you?
Fine.
How you doing, my sister in the Lord?
I'm fine, oh.
Ngwa, tell me, what do you think say go make a woman lose interest quick for a man? They tell us.
You know, say when the man don't they cheat on them too much, you go just you go remove mind now.
Oh, for your own now cheating.
Yes, so if you too cheat me, I go leave her. Like me, man, now they cheat me 2 times. Once you cheat me, I go just leave you.
How many men you don't leave?
You now you be number 1. You Nedu.
Me?
1.
My sister, I don't know you.
I know you well. I be first central, I'll make you hail me now. Yeah, carry that your distance, make you hail me. You know, carry your bed now, you just dey laugh.
Nah, I don't know. Which one is it?
She go.
I know you well.
Me?
Nedu, I want to ask you one question.
Oh, yeah, ask me.
See. Thank you. Now, see, I want to ask you be madman?
If I be madman?
You be madman, I dey ask you a question.
What do you think?
That trouser what you wear yesterday, not only that trouser you get, where this one also you dey wear.
Now, I get 3 of that same trouser.
You just do like madman, only you did that station.
Now your trouser! Now your trouser! Ooh, bad belly BB! Bye! Now your trouser! Bad belly Bishop, good evening, Joe.
Good evening, my brother Nedu. God will bless you.
God bless you too, man of God.
Easy beat.
Yes, boss. Good evening.
Bishop,
good evening, my brother.
What do you think say they make woman lose interest for a man day? Now, if the man don't lose his work, he not get money, I be they do well for bed. I be they give the woman attention.
Yes, my immediate elder brother has an issue recently now.
Wow, okay.
And he has been working offshore. Every money he got from that offshore work, he just come back and hand it over to the wife. And the wife is a banker. Do you know that presently now that woman has carried my elder brother's 2 children, a male and a female, and after a while now, she just sued my brother to court. I was in Warri some days ago. Yesterday, they just went for court sitting because my brother no longer has money. She's even saying now that my brother, she's the owner of everything in the house now. That's what she's saying now. That my brother, that she's the owner of everything. She bought everything. that the court should give everything in the house to her, then my brother should be paying her. You can imagine the level of wickedness that some people will operate with. I'm telling you the gospel truth. My brother is in Warina. I'm telling you, he's in Warina. He's going through hell. He's going through this, something that some even senior ministers of the gospel, they are aware of. Because, well, let me not just call him anyway. So, I mean, it's really tough. Really, really tough. It's really, really tough on us. I'm telling you, my brother. So, I think bottom line is money.
Money.
Money is the thing. Where money not be there. If you see, whenever they work for offshore, this guy, like say, if you slap him, not even my brother, let's say you just slap him, he go greet you, go dig well for you, to greet you, because money there. But when money not there, Nana, she's even insulting my mother, insulting everybody. That I mean, I don't know.
Are you whisking me? Hey, Bishop, thank you, my brother. Hey, well, sorry, tell your brother sorry. Say with the feeling pain, the Lord will meet him at the point of his need. Hey, George, good evening. George, woman, don't leave you too. George. Hey, Jesus,
Lord.
The guy they come back from offshore every time, carry money, give her. She go bank now, go drop money, keep money, which means snatch the money, all the money.
Now under her,
under her, it day. Now the guy, let me say the guy not get any naira.
Nothing. And if you work for offshore, at least I don't dey close with guys where they work for offshore. If you work for offshore, you yourself, and most of the time, now your family they enjoy your money.
Of course.
You know they get it.
For off, you they work. You they rig every time now.
1 month in, 1 month out, 2 weeks in, 2 weeks out. You always there like that. So.
Hey, and those who they work for offshore, then they pay them better money.
Now,
so imagine
if you don't
all
take,
the money where they get.
They give wife.
Hey, hello, good evening, George.
Hello.
Hey, George, how is you?
I'm fine. Oh, Ade, my sister.
Hey, who be your sister? Who is your sister?
My sister. I think change don't change. Everybody be sister and brother now.
I'm not be your sister. I look like they relate to you. George, answers. What you think say they make woman lose interest for man quick? Now money, where not they?
So many things that make I just pinpoint the ones where we make woman lose interest quick.
Okay.
Now, if that man just come back from work and drop his phone, then the woman, maybe his phone just in the bath, the phone just ring, you see, say,
Judge of the jungle.
Judge Way.
Judge where?
Now my name.
I say, now 3 things I keep for ground.
Okay.
Now, one money not day because of say you not get work or you lose work. I been I say you know they do well for bed for night. Or I been I say you know they give the woman attention. What thing go make a woman lose interest for man?
Okay, the first thing now when you know they perform your duty as a man at the night.
For bed, for bed now.
For bed.
Okay.
So even if you not get money, as long as they perform for bed, you are okay.
If you get money, then the woman will love you. Forget saying they perform well. The woman will love you. They go.
You don't change mouth.
You don't change mouth now.
You don't change mouth, George.
You don't change mouth. So for you now money.
For me, if the money play, the love they go. For the rest of the time, it perform well.
What are you talking? Kilo sema ida. Ebuka, good evening. Chukwu Ebuka, George, bye, George of the jungle. Chukwu Ebuka.
Good evening.
How is you, one now?
I'm fine. Nedu, how you doing?
My brother, we there here.
Now from Nena shining.
Nah, can go fire me passato one now. New model.
That woman, I could call I very well.
My brother, Aqua Christie. I mean, what are we going to do? We are fine boys. I know I'm PC for my mind.
Yeah. So about the question, I think that what make a woman to leave a man mostly is the money.
Bam.
Maybe when.
No, continue.
maybe when man is spending money or when man have money, women will be happy, and when the money is there, is not there again. All of them will try to leave that man. So I believe so that his money is many important thing.
No problem.
Yes, money is many important thing. And another thing, when the man is not performing well in a family work.
Which will be family work?
As husband and wife.
No, I talk about the federal government work. Which will be family work? You go there, put there.
In a social way, if man is not performing well, the woman will not be happy again.
But wait, Chukwebuka, you know, say one day we go discuss. What if the normal time when man supposed to deal with woman on top bed?
When you are not satisfying your wife well, now.
Okay, if you're not there, but guy, you there, well.
I dey go family work, sef, if you need me.
Whole service.
Chukwebuka, good night. Now federal government work. Hello, good evening. Hello? Jacob.
Evening.
From Mararabanyanya.
Yes, so.
Talk to us. How is you?
I am fine.
Took mouth for this topic. What you think say they make woman lose interest for man quick? Now when in don't lose in work, money not come day again. Abi now say you know they do well for bed. Abi now say you know they give the woman attention.
Honestly, the fact is that.
Hello.
Yeah, we hear
Wetin?
So the fact is that not money. It's not a bad matter. He has money. I think if you live in peace with your wife.
So now money be the major thing where they make woman lose interest.
The major problem now money. If you can perform on bed and you don't have money, there's no peace in the house.
Yeah, are you a performance? Yeah. Are we going to chop performance?
That is it, man.
Jacob, thank you. Oh, good night. So women now no money. On top of Twitter, I beg no man. Hello from Holland. Good evening.
Oh, God, are you with me?
Yeah, one now with you. How is you, Oga Jeff?
My
brother, we there here. Oga Jeff, I beg, took man for this what they discuss. What thing go make woman?
Hey, pardon, hey, Baba, Ide.
Koyo.
Domo.
Koyo.
Domo, we there.
I talk now, we there hear you. Took man for our topic.
I don't know, man. Depends on the circumstance, I think, man.
Now money.
Attention.
Oh, it depends on the circumstance. Now money, now attention. I've been saying no, they do well for bed.
Yeah, everything, man. I don't know. I don't know, my man.
No, now what it be the first thing when you think?
Answer that question. If I be woman, I'll for no.
Okay. No, Wala. Oga Jeff, thank you very much. Good night. Help us greet your wife. On top Twitter, that person did it. Hey. From Kebi, good evening, Biko. Biadu.
Hello.
Biadu, how now? How is you?
I'm fine, no.
What do you go find for bringing Kebi? Where you come from?
From Kebi.
You become Biadu?
Yes.
Where Mama and Papa come from?
Yeah, good evening, no.
Oh, junk file. Good
I'm
evening.
fine, no.
Okay.
Chook mouth for what we they discuss.
You say what?
Talk what the thing what we they discuss. Chook mouth.
From Kebi.
Okay.
Oh Jesus.
Okay. Your TV too loud. Biodu, your TV too loud. Hello. From Kebi.
Hello, better person. Hello, good evening. Who they on the line? Now on top Twitter, this one say no mind that girl we just call now. Okay, from Aja. Number 1, now money. Now in talk. Number 2, trust. Number 3, mommy and daddy things on top bed. If you can't satisfy your G wella, now bro, you are missing. Now what's in the guy talk? Now what's in here? Mike Love 7 talk. And then Henry number. My man, the issue on board, the serious one. Thank you. My answer now money because for them now money they bring happiness. Hello, good evening from Abuja. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
My brother, talk well now, innocent.
Yeah, hearing you.
You are hearing you too. Wetin go make woman lose interest quick for a man day. Now when the man losing work and not get money, abi now when the man no dey do well for bed for night or for morning or for afternoon, I don't know. Abi now when the man no dey give attention to the woman, which one?
Hello?
Hello. Your TV dey too loud. Now make you dey hear me. Innocent.
Good night.
I beg if una dey call mona no vex, no na una enjoy more pinu, reduce the volume of your TV. You don't need to hear yourself for TV. As long as you dey hear yourself for phone, that is okay. You don't be you go hear yourself for TV. If you dey hear yourself for TV, we're not going to talk on the same frequency. Now another thing you go to talk. You understand? Some of now not going to begin not. I beg, help one of the help us so that we can help you. Help us to help you. On top Twitter, from Elegushi, for where? Good evening.
Elegushi.
Diola. Hello. Hello. Elegushi spirit don't hold them. And now the issue about thank you. Now money my answer because they say money now they bring happiness for women. Now for Folakemi Bello talk say now be money oh. Now woman they talk now. Men una don't talk say na money now. Women don't talk now. For Folakemi Bello talk say not be money oh, say na attention. Cause we get couples way poor where and woman say stand by her man. So now attention. Okay, my sister. I want to know where you come from. If you never marry. When the man not the care. Now Wetin Usman Aisha they talk. Pius from Ikorodu, good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing, my brother?
Oh, thank God.
What do you think say they make man lose interest quick for a woman day? Or rather, what make woman lose interest for a man day?
Now money now.
Now money, Abi. You don't marry.
Yes,
Your TV they too
now.
loud. Bye bye. Go. I beg. Who they beg una now? Because you no. I beg. More kuna they reducing our volume one of they call us. Anyway, we'll take small break for you to come back. We'll continue it with the topic we'll discuss. What they make woman lose interest quick for a man day. Now money. When the man not get money again, I've been at touchlighting of websites. We're not pure again. I've been at attention. Will they come back still on top of the night show?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.